out of our tabs, the first one we see up here is Stream. Now, it's important to understand which Stream is. Stream is kind of like where you would make announcements. So if I went and I typed welcome to test class, I could put whatever information I wanted there. I could add materials if I want for the students to see. If I click on add, I could pick materials from Google Drive. So this is where you could add a syllabus if you wanted to. Things that they wouldn't have to take action on are great to put in here. You can show YouTube videos, link to a document, link to a website, whatever you want, upload a file of your own choosing. And you have options. We can post it or schedule a post or save it as a draft. So if you save it as a draft, it shows up on the top. It'll be grayed out. You can go back and edit it later. If we post now, it'll post right up in the stream as soon as you hit post. And if you schedule it, you can pick a time and a date to post it. This is really useful because believe with especially with the current situation, we're all working at different times. If you find yourself working later than usual and you're on here, say 9 p.m., midnight, whatever time you work at, you don't want to post things at those times because the students, if they have a phone and that's how they're accessing it, it does do notifications that way. So I tend to post things all around the same time every day. Um, but for this one, I'll go ahead and click post and it shows up right in the stream. It's also important to note, as far as the stream is concerned, if you go to your settings, common practice down here where it says general, it shows your class code, the stream. This is important to look at. You might want to let students post there, you might not. I normally just have students only comment, so they can't just write whatever they feel like whenever they feel like in the stream. It's they can comment on things that I post. Otherwise, they'll just start having narratives in there with each other, and you want to be aware of that. Classwork on the stream, you have some options here. You can hide. If you hide notifications when you post classwork, it doesn't show up in the stream at all. A lot of the students seem to look at the stream like it's the only thing that they have to worry about. So I make sure it shows up there, and I usually have it show attachments and details in the stream also. Down here with grade calculations, also you can pick. You can say total points weighted by category. I do want to do total points, and I have the students see. So as they finish assignments, it gives them their grade, and they can see it on their screen overall. No matter what, when you grade an assignment on Classroom, they can see that score. But if you have that box check, that shows them their overall grade in your class. I'll hit save. And that's how we post a stream.